Annika, put Big Bird in your stroller. Good job! Yay!
Can you push your stroller?
She put Big Bird in the stroller. She did it like 4 times. Yeah, she's figuring it out.
Hi, Punky.
Good job, Annika.
Look at little Miss
Big
Curls.
cry.
Little Miss Curls. Look at how long your hair's getting.
All right, Annika.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Fake. Diva. Diva. Hey, look. It's Big Bird. Oh, look at Big Bird. Can you put Big Bird into your stroller? Big Bird.
She's like, that was so 2 minutes ago. No, that's not for Annika to play with.
Hey, Annika. Hey, Annika.
Annika, where's Daddy? Not in your mouth, please.
What's this? Is that Big Bird? Hey, Annika, is that Big Bird?
Not in your mouth, please. Look at her mouth. She's just like...
Big Bird. Is that Big Bird? Yeah, can you put Big Bird in the stroller? Put Big Bird in the stroller, Annika.
Not in your mouth, please.
All right. Bye-bye.
Not in your mouth, please.
Look at her.
Oh,
she's giving you a pat.
Thank you. I love the pat.
Oh, here, can you take this and we'll show her what she's learned? Come here. Okay. All right. Can you give Daddy a pat on the shoulder? Can you give Daddy a pat on the shoulder? How do you say it? What do you say?
Annika, can you pat Daddy's shoulder?
Can you pat my shoulder?
Pat Daddy. Oh.
Yay!
Yay!
Can you pat my shoulder? Yay!
This is the most endearing thing ever.
Oh, everything will be okay, Dad.
Yeah.
All right.